Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Maserati key battery. First, gather your essential tools for this simple task. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. It's also a good idea to place a soft cloth on your workspace to prevent any scratches to your key fob during the process. Having these items ready makes the replacement quick and easy. Begin by removing the emergency key blade from your fob. Next, locate the small Torx screw, often a T6 size, and carefully remove it. Once the screw is out, find the small slot on the key fob's edge. Insert your flathead screwdriver and gently twist to separate the two halves of the casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, carefully lift out the circuit board to access the battery compartment. Before removing the old battery, observe its orientation. The positive side is typically facing down. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they click shut. Reinsert the small Torx screw and then slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, including locking, unlocking, and trunk release, to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.